Hi students, in the previous video I have explained the cash budget 16, 17 and 18. So in this video I am going to explain the 19th and 20. So see here, the National Products Limited wants to approach its bankers for temporary overdraft facility for a quarter beginning 1st October 1996. During the period of these 3 months, the company will be manufacturing mostly for stock. You are required to prepare cash budget for the above period from the following data indicating the overdraft facility required by the company at the end of each month. Okay, so here we have to calculate the cash budget for how many months? For nothing but for October, November and December. 3 months we have to calculate. Here he has given 1st October 1996 during the period of these 3 months, means October, November, December. For these 3 months you have to calculate the cash budget. Okay, so once you see here what he has given. So from August month he has given the information. From August month he has given the sales, purchases and wages. Okay, so once you see the other information here, 50% of credit sales are realized in the month following sales and the remaining 50% in the second month following. So what he is saying means 50% of credit sales, not cash sales, credit sales are realized in the month of following sales, means 50% of sales amount we are receiving in the next month and remaining 50% of sales amount we are receiving in second month. Means here August sales he has given. So August sales is how much here? 3,60,000. August sales is how much here? 3,60,000. Okay, in this 3,60,000, 50% we are receiving in September and remaining 50% we are receiving in October. Okay, have you understood here? 3,60,000 into 50% of amount we are receiving in September month and remaining 50% amount we are receiving in October month, August sales. Next is September sales once you see. So 3,84,000 he has given. So in this 50% we are receiving in October and remaining 50% we are receiving in November. Next October sales you see 2,16,000 he has given. In this 2,16,000, 50% we are receiving in November and remaining 50% we are receiving in December, nothing but second month. Okay, in that month only we are not receiving. First 50% we are receiving in the next month and next 50% we are receiving in next second month. Okay, in sales, that is sales adjustment over here. Next coming to the purchases. For purchase what he has said once you see, creditors are paid in the month following the month of purchase, means 1 month. Creditors are paid after 1 month, means August month purchases. Nothing but for creditor we are paying after 1 month. For August month in the August month which we have made a purchases, that amount we are paying in September. September purchase amount we are paying in October. October purchase amount we are paying in November. November purchase amount we are paying in December. And December amount we are paying in January. Okay, next for wages. Once you see the wages he has given. So in case of wages, here in this question he has not mentioned anything. Then in this, how you have to treat it means same month, means August wages, October month wages you have to take in October only, November month wages you have to take in November and December you have to take in December. Okay, estimated cash at bank as on 1st October 1996 is 50,000 he has given, means opening balance. Opening balance for 1st October how much he has given? 50,000. Okay, so once you see the sales calculations over here for October month, okay, 3 lakhs. So September sales is how much 3,84,000. Why we are taking here September month sales means this September month sales amount. Okay, see it over here. So first what he has given once you see here. So August month sales is how much? 3,60,000. 3,60,000 first 50% we are receiving in September month. Next 50% we are receiving in October month. So that's what we have taken here. So it's just working 3,60,000 into see here So August month sales 3,60,000 he has given. So first 50% he is receiving in September and next 50% he is receiving in October. Okay, so here we have to calculate sales for month of October, November and December. Nothing but how much of cash we are receiving in October, November, December. Only for these 3 months we have to calculate. So in the October month we are receiving the August month sales amount, that is 50%, and September month sales amount, that is 50%. Okay, so this is August month sales. Okay, this is September month sales 50%, and remaining September month sales, here we are receiving first 50% amount and next 50% amount we are receiving here. ఓకేనా, అర్థమైందమ్మా ఇక్కడ. సో సేల్స్ ఏమన్నాడంటే 50 సేల్స్, ఇప్పుడు సేల్స్ ఏమన్నాడంటే 50% ఆఫ్ అమౌంట్ ఏమో మనకి నెక్స్ట్ మంత్లో వస్తుంది, రిమైనింగ్ 50% ఆఫ్ అమౌంట్ ఏమో ఇంకొక నెక్స్ట్ మంత్లో వస్తుంది. అంటే 2 months నెక్స్ట్ 2 monthsలో వస్తుంది అనమాట, సెకండ్ మంత్లో వస్తుంది. సో ఇక్కడ మనము ఎగ్జాంపుల్గా తీసుకుంటే ఆగస్ట్ మంత్లో సేల్స్ ఇచ్చింది కదా, మనకి ఎంత ఇచ్చిండు, 3,60,000 ఇచ్చిండు. సో ఆ 3,60,000లో ఫస్ట్ 50% అమౌంట్ మనకు సెప్టెంబర్లో వస్తుంది, ఇంకా 50% అమౌంట్ మనకు అక్టోబర్లో వస్తుంది. అలా థింక్ చేయండి ప్రతి మంత్కి. ఓకేనా, సో ఆగస్ట్లో ఉన్న 3,60,000 అమౌంట్కి 50% అమౌంట్ సెప్టెంబర్లో వస్తుంది, నెక్స్ట్ 50% అమౌంట్ మనకి అక్టోబర్లో వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా, సో సెప్టెంబర్లో సేల్స్ ఎంత ఇచ్చిండు, 3,84,000 ఇచ్చిండు. ఆ 3,84,000లో ఫస్ట్ 50% అక్టోబర్లో వస్తుంది, నెక్స్ట్ 50% నవంబర్లో వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ అదే చేసి చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ 50% ఏమో అక్టోబర్లో వస్తుంది, సెకండ్ 50% నవంబర్లో వస్తుంది. అలానే అక్టోబర్ సేల్స్ ఎంత ఉంది, 2,60,000. 2,16,000లో ఫస్ట్ 50% వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ ఇన్ నవంబర్ అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ 50% వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ ఇన్ డిసెంబర్. సేమ్ ఇన్ దట్ వే, సేమ్ ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ నవంబర్ ఆల్సో. నవంబర్ సేల్స్ ఇస్ హౌ మచ్, 3,48,000. సో ఫస్ట్ 50% విల్ బి గెటింగ్ ఇన్ డిసెంబర్ అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ 50% ఇట్ ఇన్ జనవరి. సో అవి మన క్యాల్కులేషన్స్ మనకు అడగలేడు కాబట్టి ఓన్లీ అక్టోబర్, నవంబర్, డిసెంబర్, ఓన్లీ ఫర్ దీస్ 3 months we have to calculate here. So this is October sales, how much we got, October in the October month amount, how much we got, November month amount and December month amount. So this is a sales calculation. Okay, so now you see here. So first opening balance. So see my opening balance, how much he has given, 50,000 he has given. Sales, October month sales, here we have done working notes now. So 3,72,000. So that sales you have to take and total it. Okay, so 4,22,000. Afterwards purchase what he has said, next month means August month sales amount we are paying in September month amount we are paying in October month we are paying in November, and November month amount we are paying in December month amount we are paying in January. So here what you have to do, you have to take the first, what you have to do, you have to, so in case of purchases, September month amount we are paying in October month purchase amount we are paying in November month purchase amount we are paying in September month amount we are paying in October month amount we are paying in November month amount we are paying in December, means 1 month delay. So that's what we have to take here, purchases 1 month delay. Next wages, for wages he has not given anything, so same month wages we have taken, October, November, December, same rates we have taken. Now from this 4,22,000 deduct, first you deduct this month. So how much closing balance, how much you got here, 1 lakh. This is closing balance. Okay, so 1,12,000 you got, 1,12,000 it will be an opening for November month. Okay, so what you have to do here, you have to add for sales. So 4,12,000 you got. So here payments is more, nothing but expense is more than income. So payments is more, so you got the negative. This is comes as overdraft. So 94,000 is overdraft. So this 94,000 itself we have got here for the December month. So here sales is in plus nama. So here from 2 lakhs, so from this 2,82,000 you have to deduct this 94,000, you will be getting 1,88,000. So 1,88,000 minus this 4,92,000, 30,000. Here also payment is more, so you will be getting an overdraft amount. This is also in minus figure, that is 3,34,000. Okay, 1 is plus, remaining 2 are in overdraft. Okay, this is the 19th question. Okay, next coming to the 20, you see ma, Sundaram and company wishes to arrange overdraft facility with its banker during the period April to June. So here we have to calculate the April to June, we have to calculate. Okay, for this April, May, June, for 3 months you have to calculate. When it will be manufactured mostly for stock, prepare cash budget from the above period from the following data, indicating the next of the bank facility the company will require at the end of each month. So same like 19th question ma, sales, purchase, wages he has given. Okay, so sales he has given, purchase he has given, wages he has given. Once you see this information, what he has given, 50% of credit sales are realized in the month following the sales and remaining 50% in the following